Hello, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. And this is going to be my intro video into Brian's at BG Model Works whirlybird group build. It started a couple of days ago, runs for a while, so it's any helicopter. So I chose this one. In fact, this is the only one I've got in my stock. So yeah, this is for Brian at BG's Model Workshop for his group build. So this is the airfix Western Sea King R3. This one, I'm not going to go over all the stuff in the box. It was a starter set because it had a paint and stuff on the box. Got a shot of all that lot. So as you can see in a minute that it's unopened as such. Give it a box over there. There's the instructions, so it's unopened. There you go. Let's have a quick get me a knife. Should have been organised, but I wasn't. Yeah, I'm just doing this video, intro video, quickly because I'm waiting for my fire to warm up, so I'm doing some painting. Right, have a quick look at the sprues. This is 1/72 scale. I'll get a bit closer and we'll see. There you go. Not bad, bit of detail on there. On there. Look it over. Yeah. So it's typical airfix. So it feels a bit waxy, probably want washing. That's what I normally do with these things. There's the rotor blades. Quite a lot of parts of this kit. There's all the seats. Bits and bobs. Engine nacelles. There we go. Wheel covers. There we go. Little basket there. And the clear parts in there in a separate bag. So that's the sprue parts. And a quick look at the let's just move out on this one. Quick look at the old instructions. There you go. Clearly marked where you can put stuff. So we'll have to have a quick look through there. Various different versions. Obviously you can drill holes in and up here and so on and so forth. Yeah. There's a decal sheet. There. Upside down, but there it goes. Quite nice. Yeah. Right over there. So yeah, it's quite a few steps on there. Who's mate? Lots of bits and bobs. I don't know how much of this we're going to be using. Getting to the back, we're lots. Blimey, there's 60 odd steps on this thing. Yeah, gonna go back, see if I'm right. Yeah, there's 66 steps. That's the first one. Yeah, so it's all go. It's quite a thick pamphlet on the back there, showing you what it is. We're to put the decals on the colour. I will do it in the yellow. So there you go. That's what we've got. So we should be doing this. See how it comes out. Should be interesting. Excuse me, yawning here. Shouldn't be doing that on camera. Okay then. So that's my intro video for Brian, Mr. BG's Model Workshop and whirlybird group build. So look out for the updates. See you soon. Bye for now.